Today we're gonna make these adorable little tea sandwiches. To get started on making our tea sandwiches, which are perfect for an afternoon lunch, tea party, or Sunday brunch, we're gonna do hummus and cucumber. You're gonna click here for my hummus recipe. We're gonna do chicken salad, click here for my chicken salad recipe. Egg salad, and you guessed it, click here for my egg salad recipe. And then we have salmon and cream cheese. So we're gonna make these tea sandwiches. We're gonna do 2 with chicken salad. The key is really cutting off the crust. So we wanna cut off all the crust there. And then you can cut them in triangles or squares. Look at that, perfect little sandwich. So I have a tiered platter here. These make me want to have an afternoon tea now. It's so cute. Okay, so that's our chicken salad. Now we're gonna do our egg salad. Again, cut off our crust. Now we're gonna do our salmon and cream cheese. And I had a couple slices of sourdough bread, so I'm gonna use that for one of them. And I just mixed the salmon, cream cheese, and chives together. And last, we're gonna do our hummus and cucumber. So I have hummus here. And now we're gonna do our cucumber. We're gonna do little cucumber strips, thin. Nice crunch. There we go. These sandwiches look adorable. Can't wait to dig in. For all the recipes on how to make all the things that I use to make these tea sandwiches, check out my website, nikkigleckis.com.